So here is our next question. 50 ml of an aqueous solution of glucose C6H12O6 having a molar mass of 180 gram per mole with the 6.02 into 10 raised to the 22 molecules. The concentration of solution will be, the following options are 0.1, 0.2, 1 and 2. So here we are going to do some of the calculations, like number of molecules of glucose are we denoted with capital N, which is capital N is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 22. So, and Avogadro number is capital N equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23. So now what we are going to do? Now we are going to calculate the number of moles. So number of moles is small n is equal to n upon n by a is equal to, now we are going to divide both of them. Now after calculating that, we are going to get 0.1 moles. So we are 0.1 mole, which is just a second, mole. So after that, we are going to calculate the volume. So yes, I can need to use this. So volume is equal to 50 ml. To convert it into the liter, we have to divide it with 1000, so which is 0.05. So in liters. So now we have to calculate the molarity. So molarity is equal to number of moles upon the solution. So number of moles upon the volume of the solution is N upon V, which is equal to 0.1 upon में 0.05. So just a second, I have done one mistake over here. It is not capital N, it is small n. So molarity will be, after dividing 0.1 upon 0.05 is 2. So the capital M is equal to 2. So the answer is 2 molar.